Mine is just to make a few comments, but to also say to comrades, although I agree that there should be a change of approach in how we deal with the mine, that should also be informed by how the mine deals with communities. You can even reflect back from when the revolution of black people began, how it has been recording progress. There has been a change of approach to issues. When the ANC was formed, Kgotlelelo Mohlala, because it's the known liberation movement in South Africa. PAC and all those. But when they were formed, they had a way in which they were dealing with how the white people or how the government at that time were responding. And it changed. It was never consistent throughout. It changed. They were able to look at the material condition and go back and come up with strategies that might also assist to advance their revolution. And that's why the revolution advanced. Fast forward, you had establishment of other wings. Condolences in the ANC, APLA movement, and underground soldiers and other formations of party politics, or party politics. They were implementing strategies. So, coming to the issue of the mine, there must always be strategy, irrespective of whether the mine has changed the ownership, because that can only be influenced by looking at their behavior on the issues that we are going to raise. That's when we can say, no, we will bring a new strategy. But if this behavior might be that of Atlanta, the strategy that worked for this community was Oploga itself. Because even if Asangayari but we know it also assisted in writing a bad history at the owners of Atlanta. One of which was that you had management who would say no, because of their personal gains, I will let them to strike. My business says, one production that you miss, you have missed a lot, because it also changed your financial flows. And in terms of your sustainability or security, economists will tell you, you are not stable. And those things are an achievement to community that wanted attention that they could not find management. Why? Because management underperformed. You cannot stop a production of the mine for 6 months, giving an example like 2012 labor uprising. You have a good story to tell. An individual who has never even owned a 1 million property. Look at that individual, destroy it. You are lying to yourself. And we will stand up, you are in illusion. Because if you are saying you have lost a revenue of 1.8 billion due to the strike, we say 1.8 billion is a lot of money. Le maspala mnaishita of 1.8 billion. They can offer 900 million. Maspala 1.8 billion is a private company that runs capital. That's too much money, and therefore that will be attached to your name, to your brand, and to the management process. And that's what we are saying. The community, therefore, or the management, were supposed to have drawn a lesson there. But no, let's have a new approach. Fast forward, you had the 2015 community uprising that stopped the production for more than a month. 2016, you had the community uprising that stopped the production for about 3 weeks. Then it says, this company, this company exists. Company, it won't make it anyway. Mara, it was so because individuals who were tasked to deal with social cohesion, or with cohesion, company area profit, competent. Then we must say it. They were not competent. Why? Because if they were competent, they should have been business people before they were personality people. People who would want to forward their personality before the profit. Because the losing in the revenue, they also calculate your profit. And when they calculate that your profit, company cannot grow up. That's why, comrade, when Atata was put on care and maintenance, one of the decisions was, Mara, they wanted to use a technical excuse